Have you ever stopped and asked yourself why ancient Buddhist monks lived longer, healthier, and more peaceful lives than most people today? What did they know that we've forgotten? Imagine waking up every day with more energy, a calm, focused mind, and a body that heals itself naturally. What if the secret to that kind of life has been right in front of you this whole time, hidden in the simplest foods you eat every day? Let me take you into a moment. Picture a quiet monastery high in the mountains. The air is pure, the world is silent, and an old monk, calm, strong, and full of life, begins his morning ritual. No pills, no expensive treatments, just simple, natural foods, prepared with intention. And here's the truth. For thousands of years, these monks understood something we're only now rediscovering. Your body is designed to heal itself if you give it the right support. Today, you and I are going to unlock that ancient wisdom. We're going to explore 6 powerful foods, simple, natural, and deeply healing, that have been trusted for centuries to restore the body, sharpen the mind, and bring balance to life. And no, this isn't about complicated diets. It's not about spending money on expensive supplements. This is about real food, simple choices, powerful results. Think of your body like a garden. If you nourish it properly, it flourishes. If you ignore it, it weakens. These 6 foods are like the perfect nutrients your body has been waiting for, helping everything inside you grow stronger, cleaner, and more alive. Buddhist monks believed something profound. Food is not just fuel. Food is medicine for your body, your mind, and even your soul. What you eat shapes how you feel, how you think, and how you live. And here's the fascinating part. Modern science is now confirming what these ancient teachings have said all along. But in today's fast-paced world, what do we do instead? We chase quick fixes. We rely on medications. We ignore the signals our body keeps sending us. But what if there was another way? A gentler way? A natural way? A way where your body doesn't just survive, but truly thrives? These 6 foods don't work like magic pills. They work with your body. They support its natural healing system. They strengthen you from the inside out. And as we go through each one, you'll not only understand why they are so powerful, you'll also learn exactly how to use them in your daily life, even if you're busy. From boosting your immune system, to calming your mind, to increasing your energy naturally. This journey we're starting right now is more than just learning about food. It's about reconnecting with a wisdom that can completely transform your life. And trust me, you don't want to miss a single part of this, because each food builds on the last, and together they create a complete system for true health. So if you're serious about feeling better, living stronger, and unlocking your body's natural healing power, take a second right now, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and become part of a community that's choosing a better, more natural way to live. Because what you're about to learn could genuinely change everything. So let me ask you one more question. Are you ready to unlock the healing power hidden in your everyday food? Are you ready to transform your health naturally? Let's begin. Our first food, garlic. Yes, garlic. I know what you're thinking. Really? Garlic? But stay with me, because this small, humble ingredient might be one of the most powerful natural medicines you will ever discover. For centuries, Buddhist monks respected garlic deeply. They saw it not just as food, but as a protector, a natural shield against illness. Imagine this: a tiny white bulb, wrapped in delicate layers, holding inside it the power to fight disease, strengthen your heart, and protect your entire body. That's garlic. And the real magic begins the moment you crush it. When you chop or crush fresh garlic, it releases a powerful compound called allicin, a natural defender that works inside your body like a warrior, fighting bacteria, fighting viruses, protecting you at a cellular level. But it doesn't stop there. Garlic also contains dozens of other powerful compounds, antioxidants and sulfur compounds, that work together like a team, strengthening your body from every angle. Now think about your heart, the organ that keeps you alive every second. Garlic helps relax your blood vessels, allowing blood to flow smoothly, like clearing traffic on a busy highway. It lowers blood pressure, reduces bad cholesterol, and protects you from heart disease naturally. It's like having a cleaning system inside your body, quietly removing the buildup that could harm you. And here's something even more powerful. Garlic doesn't just protect, it also defends against serious diseases. Studies show that people who consume garlic regularly have lower risks of certain cancers, especially stomach and colon cancer. It helps stop harmful cells from growing and supports your body in destroying them. Now imagine your immune system, an army protecting you every day. Garlic strengthens that army. People who consume garlic regularly often get sick less, and even when they do, they recover faster. But here's the part most people get wrong. How you use garlic changes everything. If you want its full power, you can't just cook it heavily or take random supplements. Here's the right way. Take 1 or 2 cloves of fresh garlic, crush or chop them, then wait 10 minutes. Yes, just wait. That waiting time allows the healing compounds to fully activate. After that, you can eat it, maybe with a little honey or olive oil to make it easier. The best time? Morning, on an empty stomach. Start small, let your body adjust, and watch what happens. Let me tell you a quick story. A man named Robert, struggling with high blood pressure and pre-diabetes, decided to try this simple habit. Every morning, just garlic. 3 months later, his blood pressure normalized. His blood sugar improved. He even lost weight without changing anything else. Sometimes, the simplest things create the biggest transformations. Garlic isn't just food. It's a gift from nature, a natural protector. And now, it's in your hands. If this is opening your eyes, make sure you've subscribed, because what's coming next is even more powerful. Let's move to our second healing food, turmeric, the golden healer. Adding a banana for creaminess along with the liquid of your choice makes it easy to enjoy greens, as the fruit gently masks their strong flavor while still allowing you to receive their full nutritional benefits. Long before modern kitchens, Buddhist monks didn't have blenders, yet they understood this simple principle. Combining greens with naturally sweet elements makes them more enjoyable and sustainable in daily life. Another quick and delicious approach is lightly cooking your greens. Just heat a little oil in a pan, add garlic or ginger, toss in your greens, and sauté them for a few minutes until they wilt. Finish with a pinch of salt and a squeeze of lemon juice. In just 5 minutes, something simple transforms into a flavorful, nourishing side dish. One of the easiest ways to increase your intake is to start adding greens to meals you already enjoy. Toss spinach into soups just before serving, Mix greens into grain bowls, pasta or scrambled eggs, or layer them into sandwiches. When greens become a seamless part of what you already eat, you naturally consume more without effort. Salads too can become something you genuinely look forward to when you move beyond plain lettuce. Use kale or spinach as your base, add colourful vegetables, nuts or seeds for texture, and finish with a dressing that excites your taste buds. A well-made salad should feel satisfying and enjoyable, not like a chore. Convenience plays a powerful role in your habits, so keeping pre-washed greens ready can make all the difference. When you remove the barriers between you and nourishment, healthy choices become automatic. The Buddhist approach often emphasized including greens in every meal, not as an extreme rule, but as a simple way to maintain consistent nourishment. Instead of occasional bursts, your body benefits from a steady flow of nutrients throughout the day. A good goal is around 3 servings daily, whether that's 1 to 2 cups raw or half a cup cooked per serving. And if you're just starting, take it step by step. Add greens to 1 meal this week, then 2 the next. Over time, it becomes second nature, and your body will begin to crave the way they make you feel. These leafy vegetables truly act as nature's multivitamin, offering a level of nourishment that no supplement can fully replicate. Ancient wisdom recognized their value, and modern science continues to confirm it. Eating greens daily doesn't just help prevent disease, it actively builds vibrant health, one leaf at a time. As we move forward, we come to another powerful category of nourishment: nuts and seeds. Despite their small size, they carry immense nutritional value and deep symbolic meaning. In Buddhist teachings, a seed represents potential, the entire blueprint of life contained within something tiny, waiting for the right conditions to grow. In the same way, nuts and seeds hold concentrated life force, delivering dense nutrition that fuels growth, repair, and vitality within your body. For centuries, monks valued these foods not only for their symbolism, but for their practicality. They carried them during long journeys, relying on their ability to provide sustained energy and complete nourishment. Even the act of eating them was mindful, cracking shells slowly, chewing thoroughly, and fully experiencing each bite. This wasn't just eating. It was a practice of awareness and appreciation. From a nutritional perspective, nuts and seeds are among the most powerful foods on Earth. They contain healthy fats, complete proteins, essential minerals, vitamins, antioxidants, and fiber, all packed into a small serving. The fats they provide, especially monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, are essential for brain function, hormone production, and cellular health. Since your body cannot produce these fats on its own, they must come from your diet, and nuts and seeds provide them in their most natural and beneficial form. Their impact on brain health is especially remarkable. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, they support memory, focus, and long-term cognitive function. Walnuts, in particular, stand out, not just because they resemble the human brain, but because they genuinely support it. Regular consumption has been linked to improved memory, better cognitive performance, and protection against age-related decline. The antioxidants they contain, especially vitamin E, further protect brain cells from damage, helping maintain clarity and mental sharpness over time. Beyond the brain, nuts and seeds offer profound benefits for heart health. Despite being calorie-dense, they are strongly associated with reduced risk of heart disease. They help balance cholesterol levels, support healthy blood pressure, and improve circulation. Over time, even small daily amounts can significantly reduce the risk of serious cardiovascular issues. They also play a crucial role in hormone balance. The healthy fats they provide are essential building blocks for hormones that regulate energy, mood, metabolism, and sleep. Seeds like flax and chia contain compounds that support hormonal equilibrium, while minerals like zinc and magnesium contribute to overall endocrine health. For many people, simply adding these foods into their routine helps restore balance naturally. Even the aging process is influenced by these powerful foods. Their antioxidants protect cells from damage, while their anti-inflammatory properties slow down the processes that lead to aging and disease. Studies have even shown that regular consumption is associated with longer telomeres, an indicator of slower biological aging. The key, however, is balance. Because they are dense in calories, a small daily portion is enough, about a handful. Consistency matters far more than quantity. Eating a small amount every day allows your body to continuously benefit from their nutrients, rather than overwhelming it occasionally. Preparation can further enhance their benefits. Soaking nuts and seeds before eating them helps neutralize natural compounds that can interfere with digestion and nutrient absorption. This simple step makes them easier to digest and allows your body to fully access their nutritional value. It's a practice rooted in ancient wisdom, now supported by modern science. Rotating different types throughout the week ensures you receive a wide range of nutrients. Almonds, walnuts, flax seeds, chia seeds, pumpkin seeds. Each offers something unique. Together, they create a powerful foundation for health, delivering concentrated nourishment in its most natural form. In the end, these small foods remind us of a profound truth. Great power often comes in small packages. Within each seed lies the potential for transformation, not only for plants, but for your own health and vitality. When you consume them with awareness and consistency, you're not just eating, you're nourishing your body with one of nature's most complete and powerful sources of life.